Hello beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited. It's the beginning of the month and I have some April 2020 Boxycharm full box reveals of the base box. We have new sneak peeks. We also have some new sneak peeks that I'll need your help on. It's very hard to figure out. So before we get into it, please hit my subscription button. I would appreciate it if you hit that button right now. Make sure you subscribe and also hit the like button. Thank you so much. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box that you'll get 5 full-size beauty products every month. And right now they're offering 2 amazing products if you join today. I say today because I think these are going to go quick because they're new and you know how new products go. The first product is from the Violet Voss. It's a Violet Voss palette and it's called the Crystal Palace. And in this palette, you'll get 18 pans of high pigmented, vibrant shades. The top row featured shades in matte finish, and the second row features a coordinating duochrome. Then the bottom row features stunning transitions and topper shades. This is valued at $42. The next product is a new product by Symbiosis London. It's the Revitalizing and Redensifying Facial Serum. This is valued at $134. And it has anti-aging revitalizing effects that'll result in skin immediately feeling softer and smoother. It's blended with active ingredients that aim to provide the skin cells with oxygen, and this will increase the skin's elasticity and will reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It also has probiotics that aim to strengthen the skin's surface against environmental threats with diminishing factors that trigger sensitive and reddened skin. And it contributes to visibly reduce signs of aging and dryness. It also is a retinoid, which retinoids will increase the firmness while aiming to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So this is 2 great products. I have the 2 codes if you're interested in getting one of these. Now, if you are a person that unsubscribed before March 1st, 2020, you are able to get these bonus products. Snatch these up while we still can. Okay, let's take a look at our first base box and see what's in there. Base box number 1. Okay, the first item in the example base box is the Benefit Cosmetics OG Original Professional Primer. This sells for $32. This will help with any pores you have on your face. And it's lightweight, it's a balm, and you can use it alone or under or over makeup. Any shine. It has vitamin E benefits. Everybody will get a Benefit Professional Primer, either the OG or the hydrating. The next item is the choice item. It's the Elemis Superfood Circa Calm Hydration Juice. You get 1.69 ounces for $48. This is loaded with vitamins and packed with superfoods. It's 75% organic aloe. This gel moisturizer delivers instant hydration while helping to soothe dehydrated or sensitive skin. The next item is from Makeup Eraser. It's the Sunset Makeup Eraser Cloth. And if you've never used one of these are amazing. All you need on it is water. It's the #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. Erase all makeup with just water, including waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, lipstick, and more. They compare it to makeup wipes, and it says that makeup eraser is equal to 3,600 makeup wipes. No chemicals, less waste, and no more wipes. The next item is from Iconic London. It's the Illuminator Drops in Original. Now this sells for $40 and you get 0.45 fluid ounces. It's a champagne tone shimmer to add a golden shine. Add this liquid shimmer winner to your foundation, primer, moisturizer, or simply use on its own for a super highlighted glow. It's rock solo or add to foundation, primer, or moisturizer. And all you do is add a few drops to each cheekbone, tip of nose, collarbones, and cupid's bow. Use your fingers or a dense domed brush to tap the product in, gently blending for a beautiful high gloss look. I've used these before and I really liked them. What I do, I add it to my foundation or if I'm going to use it as a highlight, I use it just on my cheekbones with a sponge, and on other places on my, like my cupid's bow, my nose, you know. But I love how it looks in a foundation, or if you're not wearing any makeup and your moisturizer, it just gives you a pretty glow. And the last item in this box is the Lavish Brushes. This is a 5-piece brush set in these beautiful primary colors, and it's an eyeshadow brush set, which we never can have enough of these brushes, so I love this also. Now I have a second sneak peek for you of another base box. The second base box is, the first item is from Benefit Cosmetics. It's the Professional Face Primer, and this one is the Hydrating Face Primer. The next item is our choice item, and it's the Zoeva Palette. It's one of 10 different palettes. The next item in the box was from Iconic London. It's the Illuminator drops in original. And then the next item in the box is from Dose of Colors. It's the Lip It Up Satin Lipstick, and this will come in several different shades. And then the last item in the box is actually 3 items. It's 3 different face masks from the brand Tony Moly. Tony Moly is a Korean beauty brand. The first mask is a calming mask. It's I Am Hemp. This mask will gently calm irritated skin. The next one you'll be receiving, if you get this variation, is I'm Lotus Mask Sheet Mask, and it's the illuminating sheet mask. The Lotus mask makes dull skin look radiant and glowing. The third mask in this selection is I'm Cactus, and it's a purifying sheet mask. Cactus mask makes uneven skin tone look radiant and glowing. So I like that he gave you 3 different masks. These masks sell for $3 a piece. So I really like both these variations, so I can't wait to get my box. And now we're going to move on to, now I want to show you guys a picture that was put out in an ad, and it shows you everything that can possibly be in your base box. Okay, this is everything that could be in your base box. At the top left, you see the Iconic London Illuminator drops. It looks like you can get original and also 2 different shades. Right below those is the Hank & Henry sponges. Then you have the 2 Elemis products. Then your professional products. Then right in the middle is all 10 of your Zoeva Cosmetics palettes. Then it looks like maybe some kind of eyeliners. I'm not sure about that. And then you have the Lavish Brushes, the set of 5. You have the makeup eraser at the middle of the bottom. The Barrington lashes. It looks like there's 3 different styles. I hope I get those. Then at the top right, going down, is the Dose of Color lipsticks. And then you have under the palettes in the middle, kinda, the three face masks from Tony Moly. So there it is. You'll be getting 5 of these products if you're getting the base box. Okay, let's move over and on to some new sneak peeks. Okay, I zoomed in really close. I actually have most of these products, all but one. And way in the back on the left is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Face Mask. This, I think, was, I actually purchased my jar of it at a Boxy pop-up sale, and it cost, I don't remember how much it cost, but the retail price of it is $49 for the large jar, and you can get a smaller one for, I think, 20 bucks. But any one you can possibly get your hands on, if you have dry skin, you will love this. It's a potent yet gentle treatment formulated with avocado, encapsulated retinol, and PHA to help nourish and calm the skin and control blemishes. It's great for dry and normal skin, and it's a rich cream product. I know how I use mine. I usually put it on before I go to bed, and I sleep with it all night. Now I think you can put it on, let's see, you can use it as a restoring sleep mask. Use the spatula to scoop out dime-sized amount onto the skin as the final step of your evening routine. Gently pat into the skin for optimal absorption. Then you wash thoroughly in the morning, and it can be used every night if you want to. Or you can use it as a wash-off mask. You apply it with the spatula, you scoop the mask and spread a thick layer across the face, avoiding direct contact with the eyes and the lip areas. Then you rinse with lukewarm water after 10 minutes. It can be used daily, but a patch test is suggested for sensitive skin types. Now, I have really sensitive skin. I haven't had any trouble with it, but if you have extremely sensitive skin, I would absolutely do a patch test. Now, when will this be in the box? He said nothing on this clip, but other YouTubers who have more inside information than I do are saying May or June. So we'll have to wait and see. There's no way they got this out of the video. They had to have more information from Boxy, and that's what was said on this one product. Now, the next product, as you can see on the table on the left side, is a shiny palette, and it's like dome shaped. If you watch my channel, you may have seen this on my channel. It is the Too Faced Natural Face Palette, and we got this in a box not too long ago, but I also had purchased one and given it to my daughter. So when I got one in a box, I was glad to get it. I love, love, love these face products. This is a face palette that uses your own natural beauty to luminize, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. The velvety soft formula is infused with hydrating coconut butter and includes multi-dimensional shades that can be worn all over the face to take your natural beauty game up the next level. Now, in here you have highlighters, bronzer, and a few blushes. The smell is like a vanilla smell. It absolutely smells amazing. The packaging is just so luxe. It's beautiful. I will show you at the next live, I will show you my palette like this. It's just absolutely amazing, and I love it. My daughter has very pale white skin. She also loves it. Now I'm showing you some examples of how you can use it from very fair to very dark skin. It works very well. The next sneak peek is also from Too Faced. It's to the right of the palette. You can see it's round there. This is from Too Faced. It is the Chocolate Gold Soleil Bronzer in medium. Now, these are on sale for $9 at Sephora. The regular price is $30, but don't think it's not good. It is absolutely amazing. Some people say you can't use it on light skin, but as a contour, you most definitely can. I'm showing you pictures of several tone people that go from very light to very dark. It does have like a shimmer in it. I know a lot of people don't like any shimmer in their bronzers, but it's very mild. It's not a very heavy shimmer, if you understand what I'm saying. Now, this product this is what I mean about the product. It gets a 4.5 out of 5 stars with 128 reviews. It's a very light bronzer. Many people really enjoy it. This is one of Too Faced's best-selling Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Just went gold. Bathe your skin in a golden bronze glow with this cocoa powder infused bronzer. It was created with real shimmering gold and smells like a chocolate dream. And believe me, it does. And the packaging is amazing. Now, I'm thinking these both will be variations because some people have already gotten the natural face palette that has been in a box before. The people that didn't get it back then have another chance at possibly getting it. I know a lot of people wanted this face palette. Okay, ladies, we have seen this as a sneak peek in the past. It's finally come to fruition. Haas Laboratories. This is Lady Gaga's cosmetic line. It's been a while, and he had showed us something from there, or he had gotten something in. I'm going to have to start organizing my sneak peeks better. And what's said to be in that front Haas packaging, their amazing liquid eyeliner. It sells for $20, and it's called Punk, and it's a nice matte black color. This would be a liner. If you ever want to learn to make a winged eye look, this is the liner you should try. I absolutely want to get this liner because I'm not the best at doing that, and this liner really is a good one. Lay down the line with our best-selling long-wearing matte black liquid eyeliner in Punk. The superfine flexible felt tip guides your line without tugging or flaking for subtle to bold precision that brings any look to life. It's like a 24-hour long-wear eyeliner. No feathering, skipping, tugging, or flaking. It's weightless and flake-proof. So, what do you think, ladies? Now, the last 1, 2, 3 sneak peeks in this picture are supposed to be in May's boxes. Now, I don't know. In May, we're going to get just 2 boxes, the premium and the regular box. I don't know which boxes these are going to come in, but it's said to be in the May box. So, what do y'all think about these sneak peeks? Do y'all like them? Do you not like them? Are you interested in getting one of these? I think these are great products because these are products that a lot of people really like. I've actually tried 3 of them, and I know for a fact they are good. So, remember, right now they have those 2 amazing products. If you want to get in and subscribe to Boxycharm, I have my link and the codes below. There's no problem. I'm not going to get into the premium box because it's just going to be too long, this video. But let me tell you about a couple new sneak peeks that are in that premium box. The first new premium April sneak peek is from Allure Beauty. It's the Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. This has been a sneak peek also before. Allure gave it Best of Beauty in 2019. It sells for $26. On Sephora, it gets 4.3 out of 5 stars with 818 reviews, which is not bad at all. This mascara is a 1-coat, jet black, volumizing and lengthening mascara with precise bristles that grab every lash for a flirty effect. The next sneak peek is from IGK. It's the Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray, and this sells for $32. This is a heat protective spray that mimics the high shine smoothing results of a keratin treatment. It's for wavy, curly, and coily hair. It's for fine, medium, and thick hair. It'll help hair concerns frizz, shine, and heat protection. It strengthens and nourishes your hair. So this would not be good for anyone with straight hair. And it gets, let's see, the stars. It gets, out of 176 reviews, it gets 4.1 out of 5 stars, which is not bad. A lot of people loved it, said their hair was smooth and silky and soft, no frizz, just a beautiful finished look. The next person didn't care for it too much. She said, the product does help, it's not perfect. The smell is a little too strong for me. I live in Florida where it is humid all the time. If I don't want to be a puffball, it's a good choice. You must have really curly hair. So that is all my new sneak peeks. I hope you enjoyed my video. Next Sunday, I'm having my live, and at my live, I will pick the winners for the March 2020 giveaway. That is the 2 Jeffree Star Bloodless palettes. I will announce what my new April giveaway is, and I hope you all can make it. Please remember to subscribe, and please share out my videos. I always love when you do that. And if you like the video, please hit that like button. Thank you all for watching, and until I see you on the next video, take care. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.